Hey everyone, welcome back to All About AI Tech. Today, we have something super exciting to share with you all. Imagine having a personal shopping assistant right on Amazon that can make your shopping super easy and efficient. Yes, we're talking about Amazon's new AI shopping assistant, Rufus. Stick around as we dive into it and explore some amazing Prime Day tips as well. You're going to love this one. First things first, let's talk about Rufus. Amazon has rolled out this incredible AI shopping assistant to all US customers. Accessible through an icon in the Amazon Shopping app, Rufus is here to make your online shopping experience smoother and more informative. Imagine having an AI buddy who not only helps you find products but also gives you top-notch advice on what to buy. Sounds amazing, right? Need some buying advice? You can simply ask Rufus questions like, what should I look for in a good pair of headphones? Rufus will give you all the tips you need to make an informed purchase. Or maybe you're planning a trip soon and don't know what to take. Just tell Rufus, I'm going skiing. What do I need? And boom, you'll get a list of relevant products. Struggling to decide between two items? No problem. Rufus can help with comparisons too. Just ask, what's the difference between a mirrorless camera and an SLR camera? And get a clear breakdown of the key points. This makes it so much easier to make a decision without getting overwhelmed by too much information. Finding the perfect gift can be tricky, but not with Rufus around. Just ask, what would be a good gift for a 9-year-old? And get suggestions tailored to age and interests. Whether you're looking for toys, books, or something educational, Rufus has got you covered. Want to know more about a specific product? Say you're looking at a jacket and you're not sure if it's machine washable. Just ask Rufus, can this jacket be machine washed? And you'll get an answer based on product information and customer reviews. So how does Rufus know so much? Well, Rufus has been trained on a colossal amount of data including product details, reviews, and common questions from other Amazon shoppers. This allows Rufus to understand your queries and provide spot-on recommendations that cater specifically to your needs. Pretty smart, huh? And here's something even more exciting. Early testing suggests that Rufus might be able to answer questions beyond shopping. Users have reported that Rufus can answer questions about current events, like the US election. While this shows immense potential, Amazon is ensuring that responses on sensitive topics are accurate and reliable. Rufus is still under development, and Amazon is constantly working to improve it. They want to make sure Rufus remains a reliable assistant for all your needs. This ongoing development promises an even better, more refined shopping experience in the future. The launch of Rufus represents a significant milestone for online shopping. With technology evolving rapidly, AI assistants like Rufus are all set to revolutionize how we shop online. Imagine shopping smarter and faster, finding exactly what you need with minimal effort. The future of online shopping is here, folks. Now, let's switch gears and talk about Prime Day. Amazon Prime Day is just around the corner, falling on Tuesday, July 16th, and Wednesday, July 17th this year. It's that time of the year when everyone is hunting for the best deals and discounts. But let's admit it, the sheer volume of products can be overwhelming. Don't worry, we've got some tricks to help you nail it this Prime Day. Our first tip is, of course, using the Rufus AI chatbot. This year, Rufus is available for all US customers just in time for Prime Day. Instead of manually sifting through countless search results, you can simply engage with Rufus in a text conversation. Ask for specific recommendations, product comparisons, and even expert advice to streamline your shopping experience. Next up, Amazon's visual recognition feature. Have you tried Amazon Lens yet? It's like a hidden gem in the Amazon app. You can use your phone's camera to search for products, upload photos, or even scan barcodes. This feature helps in quickly finding similar products or the exact match of what you're looking for. Super handy, especially on Prime Day. Then we have the AI-powered sentiment analysis. Amazon has rolled out this feature to give you a quick summary of customer reviews. These AI-generated summaries condense thousands of reviews down to a neat paragraph, highlighting both the pros and cons. For example, it might say, customers like the voice commands, ease of setup, and sound quality, but opinions are mixed on the temperature sensor. This saves you tons of time. Last but not least, Amazon's AI-generated answers in the product description section. This isn't new, but it's been upgraded. If you have specific questions, like whether a smart light is compatible with Google Assistant, just type it in the question field and bam. You get an answer in natural language, right there, simplifying your decision-making process. And speaking of AI on a larger scale, let's take a quick look at what Amazon Web Services, AWS, is up to. Matt Wood, the vice president of AI products at AWS, mentioned in a recent interview that we're not yet at the exponential growth phase of AI. He believes that while everyone thinks generative AI is growing rapidly, we're still in the nascent stages. Wood explains that technology follows an S-curve over time, and you can only pinpoint where you are on that curve by looking back. He thinks generative AI is still in the bottom left-hand corner, meaning we haven't hit that explosive growth phase yet. When it does happen, it'll start to feel very normal, very quickly. To keep up with growing energy demands, AWS is investing in building its own power-efficient chips for data centers. They're already on the second generation of both their Trainium chip, used to train AI models, and the Inferentia accelerator, used for making predictions from new data. These chips have improved power utilization by 50% from one generation to the next. AWS is also collaborating with AI companies like Anthropic, which moved its workloads to AWS power-efficient chips. Amazon believes that much of the generative AI transformation will be built on top of AWS. So, they're not just leading in retail tech, but also making their mark in AI infrastructure. In his annual letter to shareholders, Amazon CEO Andy Jassy mentioned that they are optimistic about the future of AI. While Amazon sees a lot of potential in its AI technology, they believe the majority of the generative AI innovations will come from other companies building on AWS. Before we wrap up, I want to thank you all for being a part of this journey. We're always striving to improve the quality of our videos and build a community where we can all share and learn. Your feedback means the world to us, so please leave your comments below and let us know what you think. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. That's all for today's video, folks. With Rufus and these Prime Day tips, your shopping is about to get a whole lot easier. Remember, tech is here to make our lives better, and together, we can explore all the wonders it brings. Thanks for watching All About AI Tech, and see you in the next video. So you might be wondering, how does Rufus get so smart? Well, Rufus has been trained on a gigantic amount of data. We're talking about product details, reviews, and even common questions from shoppers just like you. This enables Rufus to understand your questions and offer you recommendations that are spot on. AI has come a long way, and Rufus is a prime example of how advanced it's become. Rufus isn't just a basic chatbot. It's a generative AI that can actually understand the context of your queries and provide meaningful advice. This is a huge step forward, making our shopping experiences much smarter and more efficient. Early reviews for Rufus have been fantastic. Shoppers report that their experience has become much more streamlined. The AI's ability to give personalized, relevant answers has saved them time and effort. If you've tried Rufus, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your experiences. Teams at Amazon are constantly innovating, making Rufus smarter and more reliable each day. They are dedicated to ensuring that the information you receive is accurate and helpful. It's great to see how far we've come with AI, and even more exciting to think about where we are headed. One of my favorite uses of Rufus is getting product recommendations. For instance, if you're shopping for a new tablet, instead of scrolling endlessly, you can simply type, "Rufus, which tablet should I get for streaming and reading?" And you'll get tailored suggestions. It's like shopping with a friend who knows exactly what you need. Comparison shopping can be a headache, but Rufus makes it a breeze. Imagine you're torn between two smart home devices. Just ask Rufus, "What's different between this smart thermostat and that one?" And you'll get a straightforward comparison. This makes decisions so much easier and less stressful. Let's switch gears back to Prime Day, one of the biggest shopping events of the year. Mark your calendars for July 16th and 17th. With these Amazon AI tools at your disposal, you'll be flying through your shopping list in no time. It's the perfect opportunity to put Rufus to the test and grab those great deals. Another fantastic tool is Amazon Lens. This visual recognition feature in the Amazon app lets you search for products using your phone's camera or uploaded photos. For example, see a cool piece of tech at a friend's place? Just snap a pic, use Amazon Lens, and find out all you need to know in seconds. You know those long paragraphs of reviews? Now, AI review summaries can give you what you need at a glance. These summaries pull from thousands of reviews to provide a balanced overview. It tells you the highs and the lows, helping you to make a more informed choice with a lot less effort. Here's another pro tip. Use the AI-generated answers in the product Q&A section. Previously, you might get mixed responses, but now, AI steps in to generate answers right from the product description, reviews, and existing Q&As. This can help clarify details instantly, like if a gadget works with both Alexa and Google Assistant. Let's pivot to AWS, Amazon's backbone for cloud computing. AWS is not only supporting retail tech, but also fueling broader AI advancements. At their annual Cloud Summit, they highlighted how AI is still in its early but rapid growth phases. The infrastructure they're building today will support exciting AI applications in the near future. Matt Wood from AWS explained that AI is following an S-curve of tech adoption. Right now, we may think generative AI is growing fast, but according to him, we're still in the early stages. When AI reaches its peak growth, it'll become a seamless part of our everyday tech without us even realizing it. To support this AI boom, AWS is investing in energy-efficient chips for their data centers. Their Trainium chips for training AI models and Inferentia chips for inferencing have seen a 50% improvement in power utilization. This is crucial as more companies turn to AWS for their AI infrastructure needs. AWS is working with companies like Anthropic to move workloads to these advanced chips. Amazon is playing a key role in shaping the future of AI by providing the necessary infrastructure, even as other companies develop the applications on top of AWS platform. In a letter to shareholders, Amazon CEO Andy Jassy spoke about the future potential of AI, highlighting that while Amazon has groundbreaking AI technology, they envision most AI innovations will be developed by other companies on AWS. It's a collaborative ecosystem, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. As we wrap up, I want to genuinely thank each of you for being part of the All About AI Tech community. We're striving to make our videos better and to foster a space where we can all learn and share. Your feedback is invaluable, so please leave your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell. That's it for today's video. With the power of Rufus and these Prime Day tricks, your shopping experience is about to level up. Remember, technology is here to make our lives easier, and exploring it together is the best part. Thanks for watching All About AI Tech, and I'll catch you in the next video. Don't miss it.